Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create shapes in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are. And first things first, you would need the Essential Graphics tab. So you would need to go into Windows and click here on Essential Graphics to make sure that this is checked. And you would have it here somewhere in your workspace and you can move it wherever you want. And once you have the Essential Graphics, now we can move on to creating shapes. So to create shapes is very simple. You have to pay attention here on your tools. Right here, you can see the rectangle tool. And when you click and hold, you can see other options right here. So if you want to create an ellipse tool, polygon tool, then you can also do it. So let's say we want ellipse tool. So click on ellipse tool right there. And now we have ellipse tool and we can now simply draw here into our video however we want to and whatever ellipse we want. So you can do it like this one. And now we have a graphic right here in our timeline because we have created a shape. And when you click on a graphic, you can pay attention into the Essential Graphics and you can see it right here. You can change the fill into whatever color you want, or you can just simply uncheck it and you can just go for stroke right here instead. And you can go for any color that you want and you can make it as thick as you want right there. As you can see, this is as thick as it is, and you can even add shadow right there if you'd want to. You can customize the shadow. And you can also align and transform using the Essential Graphics by, if you want it to be in the middle, you can click here and then here, and now it's perfectly in the middle. And that is basically how you can customize your shape right there. But if you want some custom shape, then you can go into Pen Tool, make sure that you're not selecting any clip, and then from here you can draw whatever you want. So maybe just like that, maybe this one right here, maybe you wanted to draw it like this, and then you would go here. So now we have this shape. And then you can have the graphic again because you have drawn something. And you can go into Essential Graphics to edit it. You can go for fill. You can fill it whatever color you like, maybe this one. And then you can go for stroke again. You can even go for shadow if you want to. And you can customize the shadow right there. And that is basically how you can create shapes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.